Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to delete or remove a Facebook page by using your mobile phone. So here I am signed in with my Facebook profile and now I have to click here on these three lines, and then you will find an option here like groups pages here, but I am seeing the option here on the top as you can see, so I'm clicking on it, my 5 pages, and you will see all the pages that you manage. Now we have to select the page that we want to delete, so I'm choosing John Mesh here, so clicking on it, and then after visiting the page you will see edit page option, so click on edit page, and after coming to this page go a little bit down and you will find settings option, so click on it. So after coming to this settings page, click on general, and to find the option to delete your Facebook page you have to scroll down the page a little bit, so I'm moving, and here we go, we have got remove page. So to delete this page you just have to click on delete the page name, and you will have 14 days to restore the page if you want to make it live again, okay, after deleting the page. So let's proceed on deleting. Click on delete the page, delete John Mesh, and click on delete page, and here we go, page enter deletion mode. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this, and I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.